Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hello viewers and dear students. Myself Varalakshmi BS, DFA B MTech. So today in our class, let's see few important questions from exam point of view, right? Since inter exams are coming up, I'm going to teach you the important questions in circles topic, right? So first we'll start from simple problems, then we'll go on difficult problems, okay? Then we'll take difficult problems. Let's consider find the equation of circle with center 2 comma minus 3 and radius say some 4, okay, radius 4. So here they'll give the center and radius. We need to find the equation of circle. For that we have to write the general equation of circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, right? I'll call this as equation 1. And also we know that center, it is given as minus g comma minus f, which they have given 2 comma minus 3, right? Also radius is given as square root of g square plus f square minus c. So by comparing this, we'll see minus d is equal to 2, which implies g is equal to minus 2, right? Similarly, minus f is minus 3, which implies f is equal to 3. Also, r they have given us 4, right? Which is equal to square root of g is minus 2, f is 3 minus c, right? Squaring on both sides. I'll get 4 square is square root of minus 2 square plus 3 square minus c whole square, right? So square root will get cancelled. So 4 16, which is equal to 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 minus c. Also c is equal to, so it is 13 minus 16, which is equal to minus 3. Right? Now you substitute the values of g, f and c in equation 1. We'll get x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, which implies x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0 is the required equation of circle. Understood? This is one type of the problems which they are going to ask, probably 2 marks. Okay. Now we'll see the other type. Other type of problem is, they'll give the equation of circle. We need to find the parametric equations of the given circle. For that, first we need to find is c, right? Why? Because parametric equations, it is represented as h comma y. Okay. So on the general equation of circle, y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So now comparing equation, the given equation with this equation 1, what we'll get is 2g is minus 4, which implies g is equal to minus 4 by 2, right? So g is minus 2. Similarly, 2f is minus 6, which implies f is minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3. Therefore, C minus g of minus f is C of minus 2 comma minus of minus 3, right? Therefore, the required center of circle is 2 comma 3. You can also write this as h comma k. So now the required parametric equations is given by formula x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. We know g and f, thus also c, right? By comparing the given equation with the standard equation, we get c is equal to minus 12, right? Therefore, r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c, right? We know g is 2, f is 3, c is minus 12. Therefore, r is equal to square root of 4 plus 9 minus into minus plus 12, which is equal to square root of 25. Therefore, r is equal to 5. Understood? Now, substituting the values of h, r in the given equation, x is equal to h is 2 plus r is 5 cos theta, y is equal to k is 3 r sin theta. So these are the required, or these are the parametric equation for the given equation of a circle. So other type of question which they'll probably most of time they'll ask is, find the equation of circle passing through 3 given points. It means they'll give a 3 set of points and we need to find the equation of the circle. For anything, first and foremost thing is you just write the standard form of the circle, right? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. I'll call this as equation 1, right? Since the point 3 comma 4 passes through this circle, I'll call this as x1 comma y1, which is 3 comma 4 passes through the equation 1. Therefore, substituting these values in equation 1, what I'll get is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. In other words, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16 plus 3 2 is 6g, 8f plus c is equal to 0. In other words, it is 25 plus 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to 0. I'll call this as equation 2. Similarly, following the same procedure, I'll get 3 square plus 2 square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, which implies 9 plus 4 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. In other words, it is 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. I'll call this as equation 3. And the third point, what they given is 1 comma 4. Similarly, substituting these values in equation 1, what I'll get is 1 square plus 4 square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, or 1 plus 16 plus 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to 0, or 17 plus 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to 0. I will call this as equation 4. I'll just write equations one side so that I can solve and I'll get the standard equation, right? So equation 2 I'll write here. Anyway, equation 2 is there. Equation 3 I'll write here. It is 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. This is equation 3. And equation 4, what I got is 17 plus 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to 0. This is equation 4. Right? Now, solving these three simultaneous equations, what we'll get is, first let us consider equation 2 minus 3. So it is 25 plus 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to 0, minus equation 3 is 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. I'll just change the values, or interchange the values, so that I'll get 25 minus 13 is 12. This will get cancelled, and 4f, this will get cancelled, which implies 4f is equal to minus 12, or f is equal to minus 12 by 4, which is equal to minus 3. Now again, solving equation 4 and 3. Sorry, 4 and 3. That is 4 minus 3.
3 minus 4.
We gives 17 plus 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to 0, minus 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Again, simultaneous equation method, just interchange the values, okay? Interchange the signs. Now here, what you'll get is 17 minus 3 is just 4. So minus is bigger sign here. 6 minus 2 is 4g, right? Plus 4f. This will anyway get cancels. We know the value of f, right? So just substitute the value of f in here, okay? So which gives 4 minus 4g plus 4f is minus 3, which is equal to 0, which implies 4 minus 4g minus 12 is equal to 0. In other words, minus 4g minus 8 is equal to 0, or minus 4 at the common, or simply g is equal to minus 2. Got it? So now, from solving these simultaneous equations, what we got is g value we got is minus 2, and f value we got it is minus 3, right? Now you can substitute these values in any one of these equations. By that you will get 13. I'll just substitute these values in equation 3. So 13 plus 6g is minus 2 plus 4f is minus 3 plus c is equal to 0, or 13 minus plus minus 12 minus plus c is equal to 0, or else just 1 minus 12 plus c is equal to 0, or minus 11 plus c is equal to 0, which implies c is 11. Understood? Now we got the value of g, f and c. Substitute these values in equation 1 in order to get the standard equation of the circle of the given points. So what we will get is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. This is the required circle equation. Understood? So, given some points, we need to find the equation of the circle. Means we have to substitute these points in the standard equation of circle, so that we'll get some equations, and solving those equations we'll get the value of g, f and c. Finally substitute those values in the standard equation, so that you will get the required circle equation. This is one type of problem where they will ask probably for 7 marks. If not, at least 4 marks they'll ask for sure. Okay. Previous problem we have seen, they'll give 3 points passing through a circle and ask us to find the equation of circle. But there is one type of problem where they'll give only 2 points and they say the center lies on this equation, which means minus g comma minus f will lie on this equation. For that, the procedure is same, or the steps is same. First we need to write the standard form of the equation. 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. I'll call x1 comma y1, which is 4 comma 1, pass through the circle. So by substituting the x and y values in standard equation, I'll get 4 square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, or 16 plus 1 plus 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0, 17 plus 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. I'll call this equation 1 and I'll call this equation 2. Similarly, the point 6 comma 5, in equation 1 we get 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, or else so it's simply 1, so 60 plus 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. I'll call this as equation 3. And they've given center minus lies on equation I'll call this as given equation as A. So substituting this in equation A, we get 4 minus G plus 3 minus F plus 24 is equal to 0, or else minus 4G minus 3F minus 24 is equal to 0. We call this as equation 4. Equation 3 minus 2, which gives 61 plus 12G plus 10F plus C is equal to 0, and 17 plus 8G 2F plus equal to 0. Simultaneous equation method. This will get cancelled. So it is simply plus 4G plus 8F is equal to 0. I'll take 4 as common factor. Now simply G is equal to minus 2F minus 11. Right? I'll call this as equation 5. Now substitute equation 5 in equation 4. Then what we'll get is if we substitute equation 5 in equation 4, minus 4, G value is minus 2F minus 11, right? Minus 3F minus 24 is equal to 0, right? So which is minus into minus plus 8F plus 44 minus 3F minus 24 is equal to 0, or simply it is 5F plus sign, anyway it is. So 2, 4 minus 4 is 0 is equal to 4. G plus F is equal to 20 by 5 minus 20 by 5 is 4. Understood? So now we got F value. So substitute here in order to get G. So G is equal to minus 2, F is minus 4 minus 11, which implies it is minus into minus plus, it is minus 3. Understood? Now we got F value and G value. Substitute in equation 3. So substituting these F and G value in equation 3, what we'll get is so it is 61 plus 12G is minus 3 plus 10, F is minus 4 plus C is equal to 0. In other words, it is minus into minus, it is minus 12 3s are 6. Or simply it is 61 minus 76 plus C is equal to 0, or C is equal to 76 minus 61, which is equal to 50. Now substitute the value of G, F and C in the standard equation, that is equation 1. We will get x square plus y square plus 2G value is 3 minus 3 x plus F value is minus 4, C value is 50, which is equal to 0, or x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the circle. Understood? So there are two different methods where we can ask such type of questions. One is they'll just give the 3 points and say these points will pass through a circle, find the equation of the circle. And the other type is they'll just give the 2 points and they say the center lies on the given equation. Then the method is this, right? Hope this video is helpful for you. In next session or in next video, we'll try to solve 7 marks questions which are most important, like concyclic or tangent which touch each other. So such type of questions we'll see in next class. If you feel this video is helpful, kindly give a like, share and comment.